Cardano successfully completes the Vasil hard fork. After the Cardano team triggered all 3 critical mass indications necessary for the upgrade, the Cardano Vasil update was successfully accomplished. Additionally, the update has included a number of enhancements and, as expected, will make Cardano more scalable. The first update has been finished and the next is slated for 27th of September. Vasil hard fork will improve a number of facets of the Cardano network's blockchain. Cardano developer InputOutputHK Hong Kong claims in a blog post that the blockchain's users' experience would be enhanced and development the time shortened because of Vasil-enabled apps. It will reduce transaction costs and increase the network's capacity to handle more users. Finally delivered. Moreover, Vasil hard fork aims to strengthen connections and the network as a whole. Cardano's much anticipated addition of smart contracts functionalities was made possible via the Alonzo hard fork, the first Cardano hard fork, which went live on September 12, 2021. More advanced CIP methods, unspent transactions output support, and Hydra integration are only a few of the new features introduced by Vasil. The Vasil hard fork proposes CIPs with the goal of expanding the capabilities of the Pluto smart contract language while maintaining its ease of use. The Vasil upgrade was named after the late member of the Cardano community, Vasil Saint Dabo. It brings in a wide variety of network capabilities. Its throughput efficiency and block delay speed should all improve after the upgrade. Diffusion pipelining, an innovative technology approach, is one example. As a result, block propagation times are improved, which ultimately results in more data being spent per second. Meanwhile, Pluto's Cardano's native smart contract language is also receiving improvements.
For more updates about the crypto and crypto market news, stay tuned to the NewsCrypto channel. Please don't forget to like and share this video. Also, support us by subscribing to the channel. Thank you for your time. Have a good day.